You want to start managing your projects, but you're not sure where to begin. Maybe you've heard about Asana, but the thought of starting from scratch feels a little overwhelming. What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could create your very first project and be on your way to mastering Asana? Today, we're going to walk through the exact steps to create your first project in Asana, from choosing the right layout to adding your very first tasks. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build a simple project and start organizing your work. Step 1. Create your project. First things first, log into your Asana account. On the left sidebar, look for the big orange button that says Create and click on it. You'll see a pop-up with a few different options. Go ahead and select Project. Now you have a few choices for how to build your project. You can start from a blank canvas, use a template, or import a spreadsheet. For your first project, I recommend starting with a blank project. This gives you full control and helps you understand the basics without any pre-filled information. Now you have to choose a project layout. Asana offers 4 main views: List, Board, Timeline, and Calendar. The List view is great for a simple to-do list, a Board is perfect for a Kanban-style workflow, and the Timeline and Calendar views are great for visualizing deadlines. For this example, let's select the Board layout. It's a very visual and intuitive way to manage tasks. Finally, give your project a name. Something clear and concise, like marketing campaign or website redesign. You can also add a brief description to remind you and your team of the project's purpose. Once you're done, click Create Project. Step 2. Set up your sections. Now that your project is created, you'll see a blank board with a few default sections, often called columns like To Do, Doing, and Done. These sections help you track the progress of your work. You can customize these to fit your workflow. For example, you might change To Do to Backlog or add a new section called In Review. To rename a section, just click on the title and start typing. To add a new one, click the Add Section button to the right. Step 3. Add your first tasks. This is where the magic happens. Now it's time to populate your project with tasks. In the first section, click on the Add a Task button. Give your task a clear name, like Create Social Media Posts or Write Blog Post. Once you've added the task, click on it to open up the Task Details panel. Here, you can add all the important information about the task. You can assign a person, set a due date, and even add a description with more context. You can also create subtasks for more complex work. For example, under Write Blog Post, you might have subtasks like Outline Article, Draft Content, and Edit and Proofread. These subtasks can be assigned to different people and have their own due dates. Final tips. Remember to use Asana's powerful features as you get more comfortable. You can attach files from your computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox. You can also use comments to communicate with your team right on the task itself, so all of your project communication stays in one place. Now that you know the basics, you're ready to start using Asana for your own projects. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.